Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday to you. It is Friday, the 23rd of April, and Aroma Thyme is open. It is sunny out. It is beautiful out. It's in the 60s. Our back garden is open. We are rocking and rolling here. I haven't been on. Sorry I didn't get on yesterday. I apologize. It was a crazy day. We had a wine rep show up and then friends show up. So I apologize for not getting on, and it was funny because I had text messages from people, where are you, where are you? So sorry I wasn't on yesterday, but I am back today. Maybe you'll get lucky enough to get another one from me tomorrow. So thanks everybody for watching me. Lots of people joining. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello Joel from Arizona. Hello Denise. Hello Brenda. Hello Susan, who's probably in Florida. Hello everybody. So it is Friday. Our back garden is open tonight. The fire pit is rocking and rolling. There is the streets are not going to be closed here in Ellenville until the middle of March, but we will have inside and outside dining until that begins. Once it is really nice outside, we will only be doing outside dining, but we'll keep you posted on all of that stuff as things change here with us. So I'm actually going to get ready to make some popcorn. So if you're around and want to come in and get some free popcorn from us, I'll be making some truffle salt popcorn here in a few minutes. We are busy tonight. Reservations are for later in the evening we have available. We are pretty much sold out for our earlier time. Our takeout is available. This week's $9.99 special is a Thai peanut chicken with rice and broccoli. That's $9.99 to go. And then our month-long special for April is 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine for $34.99. We have a white and a red. I know we were touting we really only had a red, but I do have a Chardonnay as a white. Our shelves with all of the wine and liquor are looking awesome. We brought in some new stuff. We have a wine dinner on Monday night. 4 wines and a dish for $25. We just brought in some awesome Portuguese stuff. I can't wait. There's a rosé, there's a blend, there's some other cool things over there. So super excited about that. We still have room for our wine dinner on Monday. And let's see, so much stuff going on. We're gonna get ready to launch our Mother's Day party box, brunch box. That will be, we'll probably have some news on that next week. So if you don't want to go out for Mother's Day, but you want to prepare stuff at home, we are going to make a box for you, and you can pick it up. Thank you, Joanne. The Thai peanut special is so good. Hello, Terry. Hello, Michelle. Hello, Mom. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. You know, I thought I would pick a fun drink today, a strawberry mojito. It is warm out. It is sunny out, and I am ready for some warm mojitos. Some cool drink to go with my mojito. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna make a slush. We're gonna get our slushy machine going for the season. I think I'm gonna make a daiquiri for tomorrow. I have some cool ideas for that, so stay tuned. And if I do get the slushy machine going, I will definitely do a Facebook Live and show you what we're doing in there. So I'm going to start with some mint that has already been cut up. I am putting some strawberries, some fresh strawberries into my glass. I'm actually going to put a little agave. I was gonna use thyme agave. Wonder if thyme agave and strawberry would go. Mint, strawberry, thyme? No, we're gonna stick with regular agave today. So a little bit of agave, and I am going to muddle that all together. So I just have to put it down so that I can muddle it and get the strawberries going. Get the juice out of the strawberries. These are not super juicy strawberries. I wish I had some strawberry liqueur. You can add some strawberry liqueur to it. But I'm muddling it all together, mashing it up, and I'm gonna add some lime juice, so about a ½ ounce of lime juice. And I'm gonna add some rum, some white rum, this Zama white rum. So about 2 ounces of rum. Make it a little stronger. Mix that on up. And I am going to put some ice in my glass. So hopefully everybody's having an awesome Friday. It's a beautiful day outside. I went for a run. I did 2 miles. Thanks everybody. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live. watching on the replay, hashtag replay. And I'm gonna top this off with some lemon lime soda and a little bit of regular soda, because I don't like it super sweet. And I already put agave in there. So I'm gonna mix that up, give it a little twirly twirl. And there we have my strawberry mint mojito. And I'm gonna taste away. A great summer drink, great spring drink. Tomorrow is going to be beautiful. You're right, Heidi. Tomorrow is going to be really, really nice in the 60s. Our garden will be open at 3 o'clock tomorrow, so please make reservations. If you know that you are coming out, we definitely recommend reservations. To go is available. Our menu is available online. We have this awesome shrimp scampi pizza. Awesome shrimp scampi pizza. Let's see, some other specials. We have our grilled calamari back, and lots of other cool stuff. So that's it. Strawberry mojito. Happy Friday, and hopefully I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Have a great day, and cheers.